Hello everyone, so welcome to another food review. So we came today at Springfield, Virginia. So it's a pretty unique place. It's the place called Cha. So it's a tea house and it's outdoor. So we're gonna show you guys around how it is, the outside and everything, and how the food is here. So let's go.
Try this regular tea, lucha, and look at their cup holder. So colorful and pretty.
It looks like the scooty thing.
Regular milk tea, strong, pretty nice, not bad. Like, now let's try the Kashmiri chai. It's supposed to be pink, I know that. Not that pink, but I see some stuff. Let me give it a stir. Oh yeah, it is pink. And I see some nuts floating around here. It's very fruity, very milky. It's different than this one. Quite unique. It's okay. But I prefer the regular tea. So this is the falooda, one of my favorite food.
Favorite dessert?
Yeah, they have the basil seed, the noodles, the ice cream, some jelly. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna mix it up and try it. Not too sweet, very nice strawberry flavor. I like that. Most of the falooda they put rose water, which I don't really like, but they put strawberry flavor. I really like that. Yeah, really good. So here is the Golgappa platter. I really like this. So the pani is in this cute little bottle. And the stuffing. You want to try?
Yeah. I'm gonna get some chickpeas, chole. I don't know what is this. It looks like kind of like a. I think it's turmeric, right?
I think so.
Yeah. A little bit. I don't want that. I'm gonna try with that.
Shake
Yeah, I'm gonna
it.
try with the pani. Yes. This is one of the best pani puri that I've tried here. So this is pre-made and this pretty like crunchy, but it's kind of thick. I didn't love the shell, but the stuffing is pretty good. I think the pani is like really good. It's not that spicy, but it's kind of like top chow. It's really good. You try it.
Yeah, I like everything else but the shells.
So this is the regular lassi. So you got it small. It's also it's pretty plain. That's all I can say. It's pretty plain, the lassi. But yeah, it's not bad, but it's just plain.
Just look at the packet. It's the cutest fry packet I've ever seen. So cute. And we get the mirchi fries. It's supposed to be spicy, you can see. It's so good. Not too spicy, perfectly spicy. Okay, so it's my turn to try it. The chicken tikka roll. This is just regular paratha. Yeah, regular paratha, chicken, lettuce, and some sauce. I'm trying.
Food is ready for today.
Yeah, this is alright. It's not. It's average. Okay, so this is the mango mojito. Very orange and green and green. Let's see. I'm trying to get this stir.
You didn't like it?
I can really feel the mint leaf, the raw mint leaf. It's not blended enough. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be.
Is it too strong?
It's not strong, it's just a weird taste of the raw mint. I don't really like that.
So they have a like outside playing area, but they don't have any like the dice or anything to play with.
So they just started this Pakistani music, I think it's ghazal or something. The whole vibe is different, the whole vibe. It's pretty nice.